In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable extensions and plugins in Google Chrome and quickly explain what that means in modern versions of Chrome. This is a really useful fix if your browser is running slowly, crashing, blocking websites, or just behaving in a way that does not feel normal. A lot of the time, one bad extension is all it takes to cause problems, and the good news is that you can turn them off in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This should be the browser you normally use every day. Once Chrome is open, take a look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three dots menu, which is where Chrome keeps many of its settings and tools. Click on those three dots to open the main menu. Now hover over Extensions. In newer versions of Chrome, this is usually where you'll find the controls for anything installed in your browser. When you move your mouse over extensions, you should see an option called Manage Extensions. Click that option to open Chrome's extensions page. This page shows all of the extensions that are currently installed in your browser. These are the add-ons that can change how Chrome works, and while some are useful, others can slow things down or cause conflicts. If you're troubleshooting a problem, this is the best place to start. To disable an extension, find the one you want to turn off and look for the toggle switch. Click the toggle to turn it off. When the switch is off, the extension is disabled, which means it will no longer run in Chrome. The important thing to know here is that disabling an extension does not delete it. It simply turns it off, so you can always turn it back on later if you need it. If you have multiple extensions installed, you can repeat that same step for each one. A good strategy is to disable extensions one by one if you are trying to figure out which one is causing the issue. That way, you can test Chrome after each change and see whether the problem disappears. Now, let's talk briefly about plugins in Chrome. A lot of people still use the word plugins, but modern versions of Google Chrome no longer support most older plugins. That includes things like Java plugins, Silverlight, and Adobe Flash. Google removed traditional NPAPI plugin support years ago. So in most cases, you will not be disabling classic plugins the way people used to in the past. Instead, most of the control you have now is through extensions, which handle the same general idea of adding features or changing browser behavior. So if you're trying to clean up Chrome, fix a browser issue, or improve performance, focusing on extensions is usually the right move. If Chrome was giving you trouble, disabling extensions can often solve the problem very quickly. Once you've turned off the extensions you do not need, close and reopen Chrome to make sure the changes take effect properly. Then test the browser again and see if it feels faster or more stable. If everything is working better now, you've successfully disabled Chrome extensions and learned the difference between extensions and old plugin support. If the issue is still there, you may need to keep testing other extensions until you find the one causing the conflict. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.